This is unboxing a Texas Instruments home computer, the TI99 4A, the original model. This box has never been opened. It's something I found on Craigslist. Very excited to see exactly what was inside. So, safety checked. I'm going to go to a manual focus. Wow. They weren't kidding. Never opened. Wow. Here's the original Texas Instruments. There's our friend Bill Cosby, who was the spokesman. Computer program library. Read this first. Quick steps. There's a TI basic book. Here are the various power, video, silica gel, read this first. Quick steps. Beginner's basic, if you remember the TI. The basics. Different. These are for the keyboard. Okay, just popped off. "30 years later, the tape still works." Remember, you would slide these in. TI basic reference card. What's this? A user's reference guide. Well, that's the Texas Instruments TI99 4A, which I believe was originally produced in 1980, 1982, home library. Well, I'm excited to turn it on and see what happens. Wow, those were expensive. Okay, that's it.